Alright, here's a Casablanca Capistrano 5 Series.
Yeah, way chill, right? Yeah. Compared to those
Here's low. This is 4-speed. And I think the cap is starting to drift a little bit. So I could just replace the capacitor though. I put this fan in 2017, but you know. As you can tell, that's low. Very nice looking fan. So glad I put this up, and it replaced the King of Fans outdoor fan, which is now in my collection. Here's what you consider medium at this point on this fan. And this fan is very nice and very glad that I put this up, and they unfortunately discontinued this fan, but they do make the electrical components like the capacitor, pull chain, and wiring harness still yet to this day. But yeah. This is what you call medium high at this point. Still runs really well though on these other speeds, but looks like start capacitor needs replacing, but because it's not as fast as I remembered it. This fan uses a 172 by 20 millimeter motor, which puts this fan on par with the K55 category, which is really good. High speed. As you can see, the high speed's not as much faster as it was compared to the other speeds, and that is due to a start cap being bad. And of course, that can be easily replaced. So it does still move a pretty decent amount of air, but it's not as strong as I remembered it. Still a very good fan. Just needs new capacitor, but that's about it. So yeah, that is that with the Casablanca Capistrano 5 Series.